Create a serene atmosphere, bringing nature indoors with inspiring decor ideas. Introduction: the essence of nature indoors. Welcome to the Decor channel. In today's fast-paced world, creating a serene atmosphere in our homes has never been more important. The idea of bringing nature indoors transcends mere aesthetics. It enhances our overall well-being and transforms our living spaces into tranquil sanctuaries. In this video, we will explore inspiring decor ideas that help you infuse your home with natural elements, fostering a peaceful and calming environment. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment on your favorite ideas as we journey together into the world of natural decor. The psychological benefits of natural decor. Integrating natural elements into your home has profound psychological benefits. Studies show that exposure to nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and increase overall mental well-being. Plants, for instance, not only purify the air but also create a calming ambience that helps to alleviate anxiety. By bringing nature indoors, you create an environment that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. As we delve deeper into the elements of natural decor, remember that your home should be a reflection of serenity and comfort. selecting the right plants for your space. Choosing the right plants for your home is a crucial step in creating a serene atmosphere. Consider factors such as light availability, room size, and your personal maintenance preferences. Low-light plants like snake plants and pothos are perfect for dim corners, while larger plants like fiddle leaf figs can serve as stunning focal points in well-lit areas. Grouping plants in varying heights adds visual interest and creates a lush, natural feel. Understanding the unique characteristics of each plant will empower you to curate a space that resonates with tranquility. Creating a focal point with natural elements. A well-placed natural element can serve as a striking focal point in any room. Whether it's a large potted tree, a beautiful arrangement of flowers, or a rustic wooden piece of furniture, these elements draw the eye and anchor the space. When selecting your focal point, think about how it interacts with the rest of your decor. Complementing colors and textures will enhance its impact. By centering your design around this focal point, you will create a harmonious atmosphere that feels both inviting and serene. Incorporating natural materials in your decor. The materials you choose for your home play a significant role in creating a serene atmosphere. Opt for natural materials such as wood, stone, and organic textiles. Wooden furniture adds warmth and authenticity, while stone elements can bring a sense of groundedness. Textiles made from natural fibers like cotton and linen contribute to a soft, cozy feel. Mixing these materials allows for a rich texture palette, which not only enhances visual appeal but also supports the overall theme of nature-inspired decor. Maximizing natural light. Natural light is essential for enhancing the beauty of your decor and creating an uplifting atmosphere. Consider window treatments that allow light to filter in while providing privacy. Sheer curtains or bamboo blinds are excellent options for maintaining brightness without compromising on style. Strategically placing mirrors can also help reflect light, making spaces feel larger and more open. A well-lit room infused with natural light fosters an inviting and cheerful environment, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Earthy color palettes for serenity. Colors have a profound effect on our mood and perception of space. Earthy tones such as greens, browns, and soft neutrals can create a calming backdrop that enhances the natural elements in your home. Incorporating these colors into your walls, furniture, and decor can help evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. As you choose your palette, think about how each color interacts with natural light throughout the day, ensuring that your space feels harmonious at all times. Outdoor-inspired decor accents. Bringing the essence of the outdoors into your home can be achieved through various decor accents. Consider using botanical prints, nature-themed artwork, or decorative items made from natural materials like rattan and jute. These accents can seamlessly blend with your existing decor while reinforcing your theme of natural beauty. By thoughtfully selecting outdoor-inspired decor, you create a cohesive look that invites nature into every corner of your home. Adapting your decor to seasonal changes. Seasons provide an excellent opportunity to refresh your decor and reconnect with nature. As the weather changes, consider updating your decor with seasonal plants, colors, and textures. In spring, vibrant flowers can bring a burst of color, while in autumn, warm tones and textured elements can create a cozy atmosphere. By adapting your decor to reflect seasonal changes, you not only keep your home feeling fresh but also deepen your connection to the natural world around you. Conclusion: your journey to a serene, nature-inspired home. In conclusion, creating a serene atmosphere by bringing nature indoors is an enriching journey that enhances both your living space and your well-being. By thoughtfully selecting plants, natural materials, and decor elements, you can transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary. We hope these inspiring ideas have sparked your creativity. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite tips from this video. Together, let's embrace the beauty of nature in our homes and cultivate spaces that